Weber's Hamburgers, now known as Weber's, is a legendary burger stand that became an Ontario icon. It's on Highway 11, about 15 kilometers north of Aurelia. And I'll tell you, any cottagers that are going north, or any road trippers alike, will tell you they stop here. Now, I'm sitting in Starbucks, and this is a new addition that they've added. It wasn't always like this, because this place opened in 1963 by a guy named Paul Weber Sr. And Weber's grew quickly. It was a popular road stop for everybody heading north. Long lines formed, customers began risking their lives by crossing the highway. Now here's the thing. This place has a private bridge that goes across Highway 11, and it's owned by Weber's. It also used to be part of the skywalk to the Sky Dome down in Toronto where the Blue Jays played at the time. Now that kind of got put together in 1997, I believe. And it's crazy when you think about it, but it's there. Now, I'll tell you, Weber's serves up to about 800 burgers an hour. That's crazy. Fridays can serve around 8,000 burgers. It's an assembly line model. Take orders, a queue, and I'll tell you, it goes by fast. They have these really cool cars, the subway trains that you can actually hang out in. There's also a Kawartha Dairy here as well. And the prices are flippin' cheap. It's crazy when you think about it. They're frozen burgers. But I'll tell you, they have frozen burgers in grocery stores. But everything that they sell here on site is processed here on premise in some of these other train cars. And so they make them fresh every single day, which is crazy, but it is what it is. This place is a license to print money. Now, I believe that the original owner, Paul Webster, he sold the place in, I think it was around 2004. He sold it to a Guelph businessman named Tom Rennie, and he formed the Weber Company Limited. Now, Weber's used to have other locations, but they were all closed down. Things, I guess, didn't go too well in those locations. But I'll tell you, these guys are here, and from its roots in 1963 to, still standing today, it's kind of cool. And overlooking Highway 11, it's honestly, it's a private bridge. You don't get this in any other place in Ontario. It's the only one, the only private over a public highway bridge. And Weber's was smart because they bought the lot on the other side, so they were able to capture all the traffic going south and all the traffic going north. And that is very rare. It's very cool. And I'll tell you, if you're a tourist, this is kind of somewhere you want to come. But they did because they wanted to capture all of the traffic that came southbound, and they would have no way to get across. So they thought, you know what? If we go ahead and we do this, we'll be able to get business from both sides. So they have a parking lot on the other side of the highway, all because of this bridge. So in the comments below, tell me your story about Weber's. Have you been coming here when you were a kid for a while? Maybe you're a teenager, maybe you're in your 20s, or maybe you're just an older adult. What's your story? I'd love to know.